XRP has been in a soup against the SEC for a long time now. The battle to win over the SEC seems to be taking a long time. However, what exactly will be the state once we get through this case? Will this high attention span bring a spike in the prices? If yes, how far will the prices go in that case? Stay tuned, because in this video, not only will we speak about all of it, but we'll also make an analysis and come to a conclusion about it right in front of you. Oh, and first, we are giving away $25 at the end of the month to one random subscriber to start off their XRP journey. All you need to do is like the video, subscribe, and comment your thoughts on XRP in the comment section. Opportunities are rare, and make sure you don't miss a single one. Welcome, XRP Army! Let's grow the XRP Lab community by pressing the like button and subscribe. The biggest news that we'd have for you today would be the Las Vegas Resorts World would now start accepting payments in the form of cryptocurrencies. As soon as it opens, it'll be the first casino to start accepting payments in the form of cryptocurrency. This will certainly be a good achievement, not only for the casino and resort, but also for the entire crypto community. The confirmation has been received from the resort for select services ahead of its opening in the coming summer of June 24, 2021. The news has been spiking the prices up to a whole new level, and therefore, this makes it another reason to dive into the crypto world soon. The cutting-edge technology that will be used by the resort will aid the huge transactions that may take place in the casinos, and will be one of the major reasons why we'll be able to see good growth in the prices of the coin, and also increased efficiency in the manner in which the casinos will perform in the future. This could be good news not only for Bitcoin, but even for the other altcoins that have a huge potential. As Bitcoin's been on a serious fall, the chances are that the resorts may also resort to other coins, of which one of the cryptocurrencies with the highest chance is XRP, having the potential of being one of the fastest growing cryptocurrencies in the market to date. There have been various debates with famous personalities where they speak if the XRP was unregistered security, and if the acts of SEC were correct in holding them liable on the same case. The debate, in which John E. Deaton will also be participating, will be held on June 24th, and will certainly be one where we'll be able to get an insight on what's happening and what could be happening in the coming days, based on the current facts and the updates in the court. Ripple seems to be consistently standing with the intention they had ever since they started up XRP. The use of blockchain technology to move money, just like information, is one of the most important things for Ripple to accomplish. As soon as this happens, just the way we use the internet to access information which is available in the other part of the world, the same will then be the case of money, and the losses in terms of transaction fees and other charges paid to the government as taxes will come to a significant low. The features that are provided by the XRP ledger are very significant and will hold a higher value in the market. In case these features coincide with the use case that the user has, XRP will be the perfect fit for the user in that case. This specificity is what makes XRP really work in a much more efficient manner, where it does not have to waste resources on developments that have very few use cases. The specificity also ensures that the main chain remains at the lightest state. Working on the general main chain without specificity will make the chain much more uncertain, lag or glitches, and the overall experience could be much worse for a lot of people. It's safe to say that in the larger public interest, XRP has decided to bring forth certain features that will certainly be helpful if you have a specific use case. As we proceed through the developments, the chances are that we might be able to even see more use cases. By that we mean even more features that could inculcate and embed all the different use cases that people could ever have. Given that the work for the same has already been underway, the chances are really high that by the end of the case we'll see a lot more applicability, and therefore more people moving into the XRP ledger and hence a higher price. This will make the XRP ledger the best distributed decentralized ledger for the purpose of making payments throughout the world. The tag in itself will be very important for developments thereon. Interoperability is highly dependent on the acceptance of technology by the centralized banks as well. Of all these central banks, if a good proportion of them start accepting one common modern technology platform, the chances of them performing in an interoperable manner will increase, and therefore, all the fundamental objectives that any blockchain has will be fulfilled in the best manner possible. It will also make the process much more seamless, and will contribute to supporting the foreign assets without higher complexities. The greatest issue that's being noticed is the wide disparity in the systems being used throughout the world. If in any manner we could bring forth a system that could be uniform throughout the world, say a uniform code for the banks throughout the world. It will make the payments and all other transactions much faster, affordable, reliable, and fruitful. This purpose could be resolved through the implementation of the ledger system offered by XRP. The settlement of any transaction will be based on jurisdictional compatibility. This compatibility is to be achieved through interoperability. If the financial institutions and the sources are not financially interoperable, the chances of them being able to conduct transactions are really low and therefore harder to establish. These benefits will certainly be recognized as soon as the case comes to an end and we start being able to see further developments being implemented by the team of developers. Many analysts have been claiming a massive move coming forth for XRP. As a matter of fact, all such predictions may be over bullish. Therefore, we are here to present you with a more realistic and practical price that XRP could be at in the coming future. Ripple has already confirmed a symmetrical triangle breakout in the daily chart. The prices have been touching the lowest prices in the past 3 months at around $0.769 on June 19, 2021. As of June 21, 2021, the prices stand at $0.757, which makes this the lowest price point. In the meantime, on June 19, 2021, the price of Bitcoin fell as well to the $35,000 mark. However, on the same date, it climbed back to the $36,000 region and has since then been hovering around the same place. As far as XRP is concerned, there seems to be a strong resistance level at around $1.04, which will be crucial to the manner in which the case proceeds further. Having said that, let us look into further details about XRP prices. The support level, which was found at 85 cents, now seems to have turned into a resistance level, as prices have not been crossing the said mark. As soon as this minor resistance level is broken, there may be a buying period that'll push the prices further ahead to the next resistance level at the $0.886 level. This, yet again, will not be a major resistance. As we mentioned above, the crucial resistance level is at around $1.04, and this point will be substantial in determining the prices of XRP in the long run. The chart has been forming a downside triangle, which has gradually been consolidating. There are high chances of the price consolidating at the 74 cents level, which will be the point at which the prices may bounce back to the higher mark. A sudden increase in prices may sound elusive and is not something we'd like to predict. Therefore, as soon as we cross through the critical phase, bounce back and break the key resistances that we mentioned, we'll be able to see some increases in the prices soon. Kindly note that prices of cryptocurrencies frequently change, so by the time you watch this video it might have changed to a whole new value. The information provided in this video does not constitute investment advice, financial advice, trading advice, or any other sort of advice, and you should not treat any of the content as such. The content in this video is for educational purposes only, and hence should not be considered as financial advice. Do conduct your own due diligence and consult your financial advisor before making any investment decisions. This being said, would you invest in XRP at this point in time? Let us know in the comments. If you want to continue to know about XRP, we've got 2 more videos waiting for you on the end screen to check out. Make sure to subscribe and give us a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video, my friend.